Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked is a week away, and that's when we expect the Samsung Galaxy S25 series to get announced. But that hasn't stopped all the leaks from coming out, and here's another interesting tidbit about the refined camera design, as well as a quick peek at what One UI 7 holds. Evan Blass, a leaker with a reputable track record, showed off some new images of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus in a newsletter. These images give us the closest and sharpest look of the upcoming phone so far. The images showcase a dark blue color, which we were expecting, but it also reveals that the color of the body also extends to the camera rings themselves. We haven't seen this before in any previous leaks, and it's a really nice touch. There's also an image of the Galaxy S25 Ultra showing off more rounded corners and colored camera rings, and the S Pen. We can also see what appears to be incredibly thin bezels on the display, which have been a constant in the rumors. Though the images are more focused on the hardware aspect of the Galaxy S25 series, the more interesting part could be a new feature in One UI 7. We expect the Galaxy S25 line to launch with Android 15 and One UI 7, but One UI 7 has already been in the beta stages for Galaxy S24 owners. This is a major update for Samsung's custom Android fork, and one of those new features is the Now bar, which Samsung showed off in its promotional images. But today's pictures reveal something called the Now Brief, which Samsung teased last month. The Now Brief appears to be an AI summary, likely of your notifications and other important alerts. We won't have to wait much longer for Samsung to take the curtain off the Galaxy S25 and One UI 7. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked will be held on January 22nd.